What do you do it for? What are you running for? What are you running to?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Candy, so also go by Confidant Candy. If you are new here, thank you for choosing me to watch. If you have subscribed, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about crystals. This video is very much for Crystals 101. If you'd like to know more, keep watching. Firstly, what are crystals? Crystals are rock formations. They could be made into stones and different types of crystals. It is used as an alternative form of medicine, and it is said to have healing powers. Crystals come in loads of different shapes. Points have an intense energy that serves to focus and amplify the power of the stone. Spheres emits energy equally. Pyramid crystals helps to manifest your intentions, and that's just beginning. There are so many different types of crystals, so do make sure you do your research if you want to know more. What can crystals be used for? Crystals can be used to balance your chakras. Chakras are focal points and energy centers within your body. Your main chakras are crown, third eye, throat, heart, solar plexus, and your root chakra. You can take many tests to see if your chakras are closed or open. Closed chakras are usually negative emotions such as fear, negativity, whereas open chakras are love, positivity, you're open to new experiences. Chakras can also be used during meditation. Crystals can also be used during meditation. I use my crystals to heal my chakras or to open the ones that are closed by placing the crystals on the different chakra points on my body. Crystals also have different meanings. I'll show you guys my crystal collection. Here is green avatine. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. It promotes tranquility and an easygoing attitude towards life, and it focuses on the heart chakra. Rose quartz promotes unconditional love, peace, and fertility. So this is usually catered towards women mostly. And you guessed right, it focuses on the heart chakra. Quartz works on all chakras, and the aim of it is to help you to connect to your higher self. Higher consciousness, you know. Tiger eye brings protection and confidence. It focuses on the sacral and solar plexus chakra. It also helps to balance out emotions. Black obsidian shields against negativity, helps to relieve fear and anxiety. This targets the root chakra. Lepidolite helps to ease depression and balance out emotions. This targets the heart, third eye, and crown chakra. White quartz helps to remove negativity and also connects to your higher self. It is a really good crystal for meditation and is good for all chakras. In order to decide what crystals are good for you, I would suggest thinking on things that you want to focus on. So when I first bought my crystals, I really wanted to focus on peace, you know, unconditional love for myself. So that is why I decided to get tiger eye, because I also wanted to work on confidence, rose quartz, and green avatine. You can do many tests to see what properties attract you and what properties you like in your crystals. In order for crystals to work effectively, you need to cleanse them. Cleansing them means cleaning your crystals to ensure that their vibrations are high. Crystals can be cleansed in the moonlight and the sunlight. I usually leave my crystals on the windowsill, so that way the moon's got it and the sun's got it. Crystals need to be charged, and in order for them to work properly and for you to see the benefits, you need to make sure you charge them often. You can burn sage and allow the smoke to wafт over the crystals. You can bury your crystals in Himalayan sea salt, but do check what crystals can be cleansed with a sea salt bath. Not all crystals require that to be charged. You can charge some in the moonlight, but some may require extra care, so do make sure you don't damage your crystals when you are cleansing them. So that's it for this video, guys. This is a really 101, really basic video about crystals. I've been using them for a few years now, and I initially bought them because I've suffered with anxiety and depression. So I figured, let me use holistic ways instead of, you know, turning towards medication, which is fine for some, but I'd rather try every solution before turning to medication. I use my crystals, as I mentioned, in my meditation practice, and if you'd like to know more about crystals, more about chakras and chakra healing, do let me know. I'm going to leave some links for you guys down below, so do check them out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are all well. Stay safe and take care.